Good afternoon, everybody. This is a Pit Boss. It's a new grill. Hasn't been used yet. Says you can cook 36 hamburgers on it. The hopper holds 19 pounds of pellets, 14 hours of cooking time, and it's an 8-in-1. And then I also bought some wood pellets. They're the combination wood pellets. And on the back of the bag, it tells all the different flavors that are in the combination. It's got hickory, pecan, oak, cherry. It's got all those in it. I should get a better picture of the bag, and then I also got a cover for it. So yeah, pretty cool. And once we cook on it, we will do a review of that. Okay. Have a good day, everybody. Goodbye.